Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
It is only a matter of understanding and accepting the fact. Prabhupada Maharaj attained the state of life just a few minutes before his death by surrendering unto Krishna. Nirvana means ending the process of materialistic life. According to Buddhist philosophy, there is only void after this material life. But the Bhagavad-gita teaches differently. Actual life begins after the completion of this material life. For the gross materialist, it is sufficient to know that one has to end this materialistic way of life. But for the person who is spiritually advanced, there is another life after this materialistic one. Therefore, before ending this life, if one fortunately becomes Krishna conscious, certainly he had once attained the stage of Brahman Nirvana. There is no difference between the kingdom of God and the devotional service of the Lord. Since both of them are on the absolute plane, to be engaged in the transcendental loving service of the Lord is to have attained the spiritual kingdom. In the material world there are activities of sense gratification, whereas in the spiritual world there are activities of Krishna consciousness. Therefore, attainment of Krishna consciousness, even during this life, is immediate attainment of Brahman. And one who is situated in Krishna consciousness has certainly already entered into the kingdom of God. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur has summarized the second chapter of the Bhagavad-gita as being the contents for the whole text. In the Bhagavad-gita, the subject matters are Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga,
Jnana Yoga,
Bhakti Yoga. In the second chapter, Karma Yoga and Jnana Yoga have been clearly discussed, and a glimpse of Bhakti Yoga has also been given. Thus in the Bhagavad-gita, the second chapter of the Srimad Bhagavad-gita, the matter of this concept.
Thank you. Many questions? Yes.
I've always been confused as to I'm going to say here that a pure devotee like Haridas Thakur would not fall victim to my Devi's temptations, but even Lord Rama, Lord Shiva might fall victim. I always thought that they were pure devotees of the Lord.
No. They are pure devotees, but they are gunavatar. Just like Lord Brahma is the supreme personality within this material universe. He is the father of all living entities. So, they are, of course, if we very scrutinizingly study, Haridas Thakur is in devotional service in greater position than Brahma, although he is considered the incarnation of Brahma Haridas. So, we should not be disturbed when we see Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva is captivated in that way. We should take this instruction that if Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva becomes victim of Maya sometimes, so what to speak of us? Therefore we shall be very, very careful. There is chance of fall down even in the status of Brahma and Shiva, what to speak of ordinary person. Therefore, we should be very strongly inclined to Krishna consciousness like Haridas Thakur, then we shall be able very easily to overcome the allurement of Maya. That is to be understood. Not that Brahma showed that, what is called, weakness. He is weak or he is less. No. That is for our instruction.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.